Everyone's been asking me, how do I create these text animations? So, let me show you.
Go to Premiere Pro, go to Text, Transcript, edit your transcript, hit Create Captions, 17 characters, single line. Edit your captions, line them up, highlight them, upgrade your captions to graphics. Highlight them again, go to Properties, Helvetica Bold, make them capitalize. Change the size and position of your captions, make sure they're stacked up. Go to the middle of one of your captions, put a position keyframe, then go to the beginning, have a keyframe of the position, but move the y-axis down slightly. Put an opacity keyframe at 0, then go up 6 frames and reset it. Add Gaussian blur, put in a keyframe at 35, then go to the same keyframe as opacity and then put it to 0. Highlight all your keyframes, change the velocity to ease out, copy my curves, save the preset, and apply it to all your captions. Do the same thing, but in reverse.
And that's how you create these text animations. Drop a like and a follow, and let me know what other tutorials would you like to see.